What's going on, guys? It's Matt with No BS Beard Reviews. Look at here, look at here, look at here what I got my hands on. That there is the Bearded Bastards Rum Runner Black Label. Now, this doesn't come out for a few more days. This is officially going to drop on June 1st via thebeardedbastard.com. I would definitely urge you guys to order this early. These usually sell out pretty quick. This is the Bearded Bastards Summer Seasonal Scent. This is really a very unique scent. So this scent here was inspired by the prohibition era, the smugglers and the illegal distillers down in Florida as well as the Caribbean that were smuggling rum at the time. And so the scent here, it's actually a very warm vanilla scent with some spices of that rum. To me, it definitely, I can smell the rum in it. I think this smells absolutely fabulous. We'll go ahead and throw some in the beard. It's a great medium weight oil. Same quality you come to expect from the Bearded Bastard. They were probably one of my favorite companies. You know, they're putting out great oils, balms. Now this is a good all day scent. This is gonna last you all day. Man, it smells amazing. I definitely pick up hints of that vanilla. I'm getting kind of some caramel from the rum, some spiciness from that rum. It's definitely a darker rum that you're smelling. It's none of those clear white or clear rums. Definitely a dark, spicy rum, something you would imagine Ernest Hemingway sipping on down in Florida. We'll go ahead and comb that through with our Bearded Bastard comb there. Again, you can get those at thebeardedbastard.com. And so this oil is going to go for $25 for a 1 ounce container. You know, that's enough to last you throughout the whole summer. As I mentioned, this is their summer seasonal scent. Now, it's got that great wood engraved bottle here, as all of the Bearded Bastard bottles do. Now, ingredients, this actually has fractionated coconut oil, safflower oil, sweet almond oil, argan oil, jojoba oil, natural fragrance, that's always a plus, castor oil, meadow farm seed oil, as well as vitamin E. And so we can see the back of the bottle there. Stay bearded, stay bastard. But guys, I absolutely love this stuff. I would definitely urge you to go to the Bearded Bastard June 1st. Buy yourself a bottle of Rum Runner. This is a great summer seasonal scent. It's not one of those fruity seasonal scents, which those are great. They have their place, but this is a very nice, warm vanilla and spicy scent. This is great. Absolutely love this. I will definitely be rocking this summer. Guys, as always, thanks so much for watching these videos. Please go ahead and subscribe. God bless. I appreciate you all, and thanks for watching. Take care.